अन्तर्बहिश्च लोकां स्त्रीन् पर्येमि अस्कन्दितव्रतः अनुग्रहान् महाविष्णोर् अविघात गतिः क्वचित्. Since then, by the grace of the Almighty Vishnu, I travel everywhere without restriction, both in the transcendental world and in the three divisions of the material world. This is because I am fixed in unbroken devotional service of the Lord. Devadatta इमां वीणां स्वरब्रह्म विभूषितां मूर्छयित्वा हरिकथां गायमानश्चराम्यहम्. And thus I travel, constantly singing the transcendental message of the glories of the Lord, vibrating this instrument called a veena, which is charged with transcendental sound and which was given to me by Lord Krishna. Pragayata svaviryani तीर्थपादः प्रियश्रवाः आहूत इव मे शीघ्रं दर्शनं याति चेतसि. The Supreme Lord Sri Krishna, whose glories and activities are pleasing to hear, at once appears on the seat of my heart as if called for as soon as I begin to chant his holy activities. Etadhi आतुरचित्तानां मात्रा स्पर्शेच्छया मुहुः भवसिन्धुप्लवो दृष्टो हरिचर्यानुवर्णनम्. It is personally experienced by me that those who are always full of cares and anxieties due to desiring contact of the senses with their objects can cross the ocean of nescience on a most suitable boat. The constant chanting of the transcendental activities of the personality of Godhead. Yamadibhir योगपथैः कामलोभहतो मुहुः मुकुन्दसेवया यद्वत् तथा आत्मा अद्धानशाम्यति. It is true that by practicing restraint of the senses by the yoga system, one can get relief from the disturbances of desire and lust. But this is not sufficient to give satisfaction to the soul, for this satisfaction is derived from devotional service to the personality of Godhead. Sarvam tadidam akyatam yat prishtoham tvaya nagha janma karma rahasyam me bhavataschatmatoshanam. O Vyasadeva, you are freed from all sins. Thus I have explained my birth and activities for self-realization as you asked. All this will be conducive for your personal satisfaction also. Suta uvacha एवं सम्भाष्य भगवान् नारदो वासवीसुतम् आमन्त्र्य वीणां रणयन् ययौ यादृच्छिको मुनिः. Suta Goswami said, thus addressing Vyasadeva, Srila Narada Muni took leave of him, and vibrating on his veena instrument, he left to wander at his free will. Aho devarshirdhanyoham yatkirtim sharngadhanvanah गायन् माद्यन् idam tantrya ramayati aturam jagat. All glory and success to Srila Narada Muni, because he glorifies the activities of the personality of Godhead, and so doing he himself takes pleasure and also enlivens all the distressed souls of the universe.